tip kumki petrochemical. Daga Jingtmo ban Weng yaga Jing Tieng jongki Khynnah yaga Subjek Jingkheiñ bat ban Bsut yaga Jingsngew Shlur hakani ka Subjek u Dr. Yogesh Chandra unong hikai Vedic Mathematics ula shim katto kani por banyak kren bat ban hikai yaga Jingkheiñ shaki Khynnah School jongka class 3 hado class 8 haka school KHASI Jaintia National Government Upper Primary School. Haba ajing kren shapang kerukom Khyñ Vedic ulapen pau bakum kane kerukom Khyñ Jingkheiñ kapin yo yaki Khynnah School yaga jing laj luoj ban perkhat bat kalong ka basuk bat ka bakloi ban Khyñ ke headmistress jong ka school ikong Philomena Dekhar ilapen pau yaga jing lengo baki Khynnah kila ban jubab yaga jing keli jong u da ka bapendan kam yaki rukom Khyñ Vedic.
As per government school, it was very good, I would say. But overall, if we see in Shillong, so yes, students do have fear of mathematics. And I think they are still to be, they still have to go through some concepts, and they are not being taught. But as far as Vedic maths is concerned, since Government of India has made this compulsory, very shortly they'll also get that privilege to learn, understand in their schools itself.
To my surprise, because when it comes to mental maths, it's difficult for the children, especially if it's not taken from earlier classes. So what happens is that they do take in classes, but what happens is gets focused as maths is focused, and mental maths as a subject is no more a focus as much even in our school for that matter. So when he taught them as to what certain strategies that they do in Vedic maths.
Ka Christian Endeavor Society jong ka balang